This next video is just going to pull together some of the functions that we have already done. So quick recap, the yellow is a sphere that has been scaled down using the Y key to control that. This is a straightforward sphere, and if I rotate world using that right button on the Falcon, you can see that it is aligned within that yellow sphere. Now I've used the grid to do that, plus snap. You can change the axis of the grid by pressing the page down key on your keyboard. So there you have it, vertical, and there it is as it was before. You can use the arrow keys on your keyboard to move the grid through your object. I used wireframe mode, which you'll find in preference, so that I could see through my objects to be able to position that pink object more carefully inside the orange object. Go to move, and if you then press down the Y key on your keyboard, you can then move your object and actually position it much more carefully and more controlled. And then once you've done that, you can then click out of wire mode. So while you've been away having a coffee, I've been deforming this and putting spikes on it, and also using redo and undo just to check whether I like what I've done. So that's what a computer's all about. Then I've selected both objects, so now I select the pink one, so that's holding down Shift plus the back button on the Falcon. Then go to the boolean bar, click on that. Now I want this pink object removed from the yellow one, so toggle the one key on your keyboard, and you can see that's the yellow one, so I don't want that one selected, I want the pink one, which is that one. Then you can go and then click on the middle icon and it'll perform Boolean operation. So that's completed. Now this middle bit here is the intersection between the two spheres, and if you click on M, I select it and you can pick it up and sort of move it out of the way, and there you have the start of a bowl. Now that could be ceramics, that could be glass, it could be 3D printed, could be metal,